Alright, let's try to recap on the trade I took on Monday, 17th of December. It's week 2, by the way, of a YouTube series I guess I'm doing. So, I took a pretty big L this day. Not big L, it was within risk. And Monday, so as you can see, 4-hour during Monday. This was the 4-hour candle that was formed in the new time frame right here, and this was the one previously pre-market 4-hour candle. All right, and as you can see, it was a bullish structure. I tried going for shorts, especially when I thought it was a high time frame sweep right here, taking out pre-market highs, or all-time high actually at the time. It was all-time high, and if we scale down, when we've taken out this high and created this order block, I thought price wanted to retract back in to the order block, so I went for a entry, like a snipe in the 5-minute. So here, actually let's go 15-minute first. The 15-minute had a fair value gap right here. I thought I was waiting for an inverse play, at least a 5-minute inverse, and as you can see, it was a inverse, but it wasn't that strong. Yeah, it wasn't that strong of an inverse, but I guess I rushed the entry. Yeah, it was an inverse within this fair value gap, and I guess I rushed the entry, which is not great, I guess. Yeah, I have no idea what to do at this moment. I think I was emotional. Alright guys, this is the trade I took on Tuesday, 18th of December. Pretty annoying what happened as well. I lost and I went for longs. This time my mental was straight, everything was straight, emotions were in check. However, I still lost. I got the wrong bias. My thought behind this trade was more like, I thought it was going to take out all-time high again, especially when we've been taking all-time highs back to back to back, but guess not today. And so as you can see, the 4-hour is super bearish, and I thought it was going to sweep some higher time frame lows like this right here and then push up, but it did not. And I'll show you how the entry went. So I found a, not mistaken, it was a sweep of high time frame, yeah, which did occur, and then we found a 5-minute entry. So we got a 5-minute fair value gap inversion. Look at this huge inversion. I didn't enter off the inversion, I entered off the retest. So we had a retest, and then after that, tap back in. This is as far as price got for me until it just rejected all the way down. Again, honestly, I should have won the high time frames. So if you look at the high time frame, there's this fat imbalance right here, down here, and should have looked for the shorts push down, because as you can see in the PM session, check it out. Alright, this is a trade I took 19th of December, and it was on the New York session. And as you can see, took a loss, went for shorts. So here's how I prepared for the trade. I looked at the high time frame, and at the time there was this low right here that was not taken out yet. It got close to taking out, but it did not. So then after that, I scaled down, started looking for some good confluences. Here the thing is, I saw this like low time frame, low resistance liquidity, all this liquidity down here, and I thought that it wanted to sweat all the way down here, and eventually it did an FOMC, but I tried sniping entry a little bit too early. Honestly, should have found an inverse fair value gap trade move, but it didn't happen, so I went against my plan slightly, real bad, and this is the result of going against your plan. I went as a 5-minute. Saw this 5-minute balance right here. and as you can see, it retested, and I wanted to see it retest through here, and that wick entered me, and as soon as that entered, immediately stopped out. I should have listened to my own trading strategy, which was seek to a higher time frame liquidity, or seek to a higher time frame imbalance, and snipe with an inverse fair value gap play, as I usually do. But instead, I went for like casual fair value gap play, and as you can see, it stopped me out. And then after that, decided to demolish, take profit in the FOMC. Alright, this is a trade I took on the 20th of December. Took a dub and took 1L. It's fine, it happens. And as you can see, you get at high time frames. 4 hour, there's this fair value gap, I want to see it respect. And within that 4 hour, there's this 1 hour. So if it was going to keep going, I would have taken long up here, but it respected the shorts. So the short confluences were retesting to the fair value gap in higher time frames, and then we saw the in the 1 hour, there's a 1 hour fair value gap, and there's also a 15-minute within it, and it retested into it, and I want to see a deep retest into it, but within that retest there was this order block as well in the, was it 15-minute? Yeah, the 15-minute. There's a order block right here, and there's this 15-minute fair value gap within it. So I want to see that retest, and then that retest we took the short all the way down to this fair value gap, and we took a 2 hour trade. After that, I did a huge mistake, which was doing a huge greed play. It was huge, just out of greed I took a second trade, and as you can see, we didn't make it to the profit we wanted to. So I'll show you a second trade, but what went through my head. I scaled them to a low time frame, tried looking for a breaker structure in the 5-minute, and honestly, this 5-minute breaker structure from that previous trade we took, I wanted to retest, so I retested, started pushing down, we didn't even hit, well, we were close to profit but wasn't profit, and then boom, reversed it, and I still was in profit, just not as much in profit. We went up by like $80. Could have been better, could have just left it there for that one dub,